Hey, this is Ron's Bass Lessons, back with you with an Aerosmith song, Walkin The Dog. It's just a blues in E, but it's blues the way Aerosmith does it, which is just way cool, man. I've always been impressed with the way Joe Perry takes the ordinary and makes it extraordinary. So, beginning of the song just starts off with the guitars vamping on E, and you can play or not play. I like to play just the octave on the 7th fret in the open string of the E. You know, just sort of pedaling back between the two with the rhythm of the intro. And then the main lick in the song behind the vocals is, which is basically just stuff in the E pentatonic. So you're on the 5th and 7th frets, open string, 7, 5 on the D string, and then 7, 5, back to 7. And that's what it plays the whole time behind the singing till it gets to the turnaround before the chorus. So and the turnaround is just the B on the 7th fret top string to the A, so resolving on the open E. Okay, so the whole verse pattern is it's either 4 or 8 times. I think it's 8. I shortened that so I didn't have to play it 8 times. And then the chorus, there's 2 verses before the solo. The chorus is exactly the same, so are the verses. And then after the solo, there's a 3rd verse, and then the chorus has an optional other stuff you can do that I'll show you. So, and the chorus is really simple. I hear a couple of other little tones that might be going on in there, and of course, depending on whether you listen to the live version or whatever, but I think it works really good, I think, just to pedal, because the guitars are so busy doing rhythmic stuff, just to pedal the, it's A, and then just E, and then the B, and out. Let's see. The solo is the same lick, except there's a little pull-off thing he does. So just instead of going down to the 5th fret only, which is the octave of the G here on the D, he pulls off from 5 to 4. Otherwise, the phrase is the same as the rest of it. And then he also moves down. He does it in E for, I think, 8 times, and then he does it over A, I think, 4 times. And it's the same pattern, just down 1 string. Okay, so that's just open A string, and then 7, pulling off 5 to 4, and then 7, 5, 7. And the turnaround on that one just stays on B. It doesn't go down to A. The end of the solo. All right, and it goes right back into the 3rd verse after that. Same thing as it did before. But that chorus you can play. That chorus actually you can start on E, and you're going to play on the open 2nd and 3rd. So it's just open 2, 3, 2, open 2, open 2, 3, 2, open 2, and then when it goes down to A, and it's 2, 4, 5, 4, 5. So it's I'm sorry, 2 4 5 4 5 4. And I know it does that once, and then the second time through on the A, it does a climb. So it's 2 4 5 6 7 and 8, and you're only hitting on 8 once. All the rest of them you're doing like triplets. Actually, I guess the last two are just single notes, on the 7th and the 8th fret, and then it does the turnaround. Sorry. So after that, yeah, after that climb, it goes. Alright, so it's the same lick with the pull off once. And it's just 5 4 3 2 on the D string. It does that twice after that climb up, after that last chorus. So so let me just do the climb up there. And it does the turnaround again. And then the last time through is that's how this song ends. Okay, so again, the structure of the end is that different chorus going from E to A, the climb up, and then 3 turnarounds on the last turnaround from B to A. The song ends when it hits that last E, and those turnarounds are okay. That's all the parts. So I love this song, man. It's really amazing blues. Love Aerosmith. So good luck and have fun. Check out the cover I have. I have the whole song. I'm playing through it with a close-up on the neck. And as always, check out the info at the end of the video, and you can email me with questions and requests.